Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2008 Dodge Nitro and I will show you how to remove and replace the two front vents in the dashboard in case they are cracked or you can't turn them or something like that. This video will apply to Dodge Nitro made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. I will start from beginning and show you how to actually remove this trim panel and then how to proceed and remove those vents. Now there is no screws holding these panels. All you have to do pretty much to start, you have to pop it out. The best thing to use is this plastic trim remover. That way you will make sure that you won't make any scratches to the dashboard or to that trim itself. So this piece will have a couple of clips, one here, one here, one here, one here. Two should be here and two down at the bottom. So probably the best area to start would be up here on the top and then just work your way all around. Just have to be really careful with this because it really likes to crack. I mean, if yours is broken like mine, then it doesn't really matter, but if you're removing this to replace the radio or any of the controls, then you want to be really careful. Now you have one of the clips here, and this is where it likes to crack, as you can see. So you just want to gently pry it out. Okay, so this side is out. Okay, now one more thing. What you want to do actually, you want to move the shifter all the way down. That way you'll have much more space here to pull everything and to work. Okay, now to remove these front vents, there is actually no screws holding it. You just want to turn it to the other side and you will have just a couple of plastic clips. So one here on the top and one here on the top. So two on the top for each of them, and you will have two on the bottom as well. So one here and one here. So you have to be careful while doing that, but all you have to do, you just have to unclip it here. You can use a flat screwdriver or just your hands, whichever works better for you. You see, in my case I can do the top ones just by using my fingers to unclip it. You see, it's gonna just go out, and now I want to do the same thing on the bottom ones, and that's pretty much it. On bottom ones I will have to use a flat screwdriver just to gently pry it open. I'll have to use both of my hands because I don't want to crack it, but this is the idea. So once again, you just want to unclip it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.